What a wonderful. I am going to share my 5 favorite summer products which I have been using whole this summer. So let's get started with the video. So my first favorite product is this loofah which I have got from Nykaa. This is really good. It comes in with the 2 packs of it. It is made up of muslin cloth, basically of the fabric. I used to use the regular plastic ones earlier. I think 7-8 months पहले I used to use the plastic ones, but उसमें bacteria accumulate होने के बहुत chances होते हैं. I do not use those ones now. I have stopped and I have switched to these ones. Only disadvantage of what this loofah I find, in winters it takes really lot of time to get dried up, but for summers it is perfect and I'm loving this loofah. It removes all your dirt. It gives a good scrub to your body as well. So really loving this loofah. Coming to the second product, it is the perfume which I have got from Zara. I'm loving this perfume as well. This is in the flavor of apple juice. Oh my god, this is how, like, I love this smell. So there's a story behind it. What happened was my sister got it for her friends. So she had ordered 4-5 perfumes for her friends to gift, and I really like this one, so I just stole this perfume from her, and since then I've been loving it. It's a Zara Day Collection 05 perfume. So loving this one as well. My third product which I have been loving is the lipstick by the brand called Love Child. Yes, it's the Masaba brand, Love Child. Name of the lipstick is Meetha. This shade is really good, and Meetha 05 is the shade of this. This is how it looks. You all had seen me using this in one of my reels, और बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा भी था कि कौन सी लिपस्टिक मैंने यूज़ करी थी. तो this was the particular lipstick which I had used in that particular reel. So loving this lipstick as well. This is really moisturizing and hydrating lipstick. Love it. Fourth product is this particular sunscreen from the brand called Underrated. This is SPF 50++++. It is also formulated with the vitamin C and vitamin E. I really love this one. Sometimes what happens is that I'm not able to use my vitamins, so that sunscreens comes in very handy. Cream as well also, because they already have vitamin C and E, so you don't need to use differently then if you're feeling lazy like me sometimes. So this is really good. So I've been using this as well. After every 2 hours I apply if I'm more exposed towards the sun. So after every 2 hours I reapply the sunscreen. So this has this pumping feature in this. This is how it comes. And the last 5th product which I have been loving is my my menstrual cup. This is really good and really helpful. This is really dear to my heart because this has been savior whole my summers. And summers में आप लोगों को पता ही है कितनी itching होती है and rashes भी होते हैं if you all use the regular sanitary pads. So menstrual cup is the best. I think I've been using it since 2019. So my sister got it for herself, but then she was really scared to use it. I had that courage to use it, so I used it. Since then I've been using it. I cannot use single pad now. This is my go-to. It is really good. So many benefits using menstrual cup is there. It is reusable. Economically it is really friendly. You can keep up to 8 to 9 hours. You don't need to see when we are using pads. What happens with the pads is that we need to change it after every 4 hours, but with this at least you can keep it maximum till 8 hours, 9 hours, in fact 12 hours is the maximum which I sometimes keep. It is really good. It is odorless. Basically my concern of for using this menstrual cup is the hygiene. It really keeps you hygienic. So these all are my 5 favorite summer products which I have been using all this summer. So if you want to check out these products, just go to the website or I'll just link in all the products. Just check it out. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.